Hello to all my dear students. How are you all? I hope you must be fine at your home and enjoying the vacation. But student, did you remember that? क्या आपको याद है कि आप क्या पढ़ रहे हो अभी क्या चल रहा है? Yes, you remember that we were doing the two special type of triangle. दो स्पेशल टाइप्स ऑफ ट्रायंगल हम लोग पढ़ रहे थे, दैट इज इक्विलैटरल ट्रायंगल एंड आइसोसेलेस ट्रायंगल. यस, वेरी गुड. इक्विलैटरल and what we had done in before, we had done in before that sum of any two sides of triangle is greater than the third side. This was the theorem. किसी भी ट्रायंगल के दो साइड को ऐड करो तो तीसरे साइड से ग्रेटर ही होना चाहिए, अदरवाइज वो तीनों उस ट्रायंगल के साइड नहीं होंगे. टुडे लेट्स लर्न अबाउट द right angle triangle, right angle triangle and Pythagoras property Today we will learn right angle triangle and Pythagoras property. Right angle triangle, you have heard about that. Many times you have heard about that what is the right angle triangle, or in any one angle is 90 degrees, that is right angle triangle. We know that, we already know that. हमको ये सारी चीजें पता है. But the new thing is that Pythagoras property. You know that, remember this statement that Pythagoras property will always be applicable on the right angle triangle. If there is no right angle triangle, then there is no Pythagoras property. अगर राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल नहीं है तो पाइथागोरस प्रॉपर्टी भी नहीं होगा. सो व्हाट इज राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल, पाइथागोरस प्रॉपर्टी? फर्स्ट वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड, पहले हमको ये समझने की जरूरत है कि इन पाइथागोरस प्रॉपर्टी थ्री थिंग्स आर कंपल्सरी: हाइपोटेनस, साइड वन एंड साइड टू. हाउ वी डिसाइड द साइड वन, साइड टू एंड हाइपोटेनस? फर्स्ट, बिगर साइड इन राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल ऑलवेज बी हाइपोटेनस. तो बिगर साइड जो होता है वो हाइपोटेनियस होता है, hypotenuse, that is, and this will be, if angle is there, अगर यहाँ पे एंगल है तो इसके जस्ट ऑपोजिट वाला साइड, that will be opposite side, you can say that is side 1, और उसके जस्ट बगल वाला जिसपे वो टिका हुआ है, जिसपे वो बेस बना हुआ है, that is, it is base, but you can say that is, it is side 2, and hypotenuse, bigger side is always be hypotenuse, and another two sides will decide which one is the opposite side and which one is the base. If angle is there, then opposite angle is opposite side. So if angle is there, अगर एंगल यहाँ पे हो गया, तब क्या होगा? अगर एंगल यहाँ पे हो गया, this side will be the opposite side and this side will be the base of side. Okay, that you can also call adjacent side. So now Pythagoras theorem is what? The hypotenuse square is equal to side 1 square plus side 2 square. Hypotenuse square is equal to side 1 square plus side 2 square. This is the properties of Pythagoras property. यही प्रॉपर्टी है कि hypotenuse square is equal to side 1 square plus side 2 square. We know that which one is hypotenuse in right angle. Always remember that कि Pythagoras theorem हमेशा right angle triangle में ही लगेगा. For example, there is a triangle that is PQR, triangle PQR, and side 1 is 24. Side 1 we know that. Suppose for example side 1 is 3, side 2 is 4. Find the value of hypotenuse. Hypotenuse की वैल्यू कैसे फाइंड करेंगे? So we know that hypotenuse square is equal to side 1 square plus side 2 square, and angle is here. Hypotenuse square is equal to side 1 square means 3 square, side 2 square means 4 square, and 3 square is equal to 9, 4 square is equal to 16. That will be total 25. So it will become hypotenuse is equal to, hypotenuse square is 25. Then hypotenuse is what? Hypotenuse is 5. So hypotenuse is 5. Got it? So we find all the sides of this right angle triangle. So this is the property of right angle triangle and the Pythagoras property. So I am reminding every time that Pythagoras theorem is always be applicable when triangle will be right angle triangle. If triangle will not be right angle triangle, then there will not be a Pythagoras property. So student remember that अगर triangle right angle नहीं है तो Pythagoras नहीं होगा. Or you have to decide which one side 1 and which one side 2. Side 1 you can say that opposite side. Side 2 you can say that the adjacent side are the or you can say that is base. And hypotenuse, the greater side is always called as the hypotenuse. Got it student? So this was the right angle triangle and the properties of Pythagoras. So try to solve all the question which is belonging to this property. So today we have finished this chapter, that is triangle and its property. So I am revising one more time. We have learned what we had learned. We had learned angles are property of triangle. After that we had learned two special type of triangle. After that we learned sum of two sides of any triangle always greater than third side. After that we learned right angle triangle and Pythagoras property. Before what we had learned the exterior angle of any triangle, how to find the exterior angle, this type of triangle. So try to solve all the question which is related to this theorem. Till then we will meet in the next video with the new chapter. Till then, bye bye and thank you.